Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and kind of give you a rundown on how this week, Thanksgiving week, nice short week, is going to look for you guys. So Monday, tomorrow, today, depending on when you watch this video, Monday, you do have a quiz. So you will log into Google Classroom. Obviously, if you're there already, you're checking this out. But check that out tomorrow. I kind of explain, like, I need to see some work, try to help some of you guys out. You're entering like equations into Schoology, which is kind of weird because we haven't done it before. So that's where you like uploading your work onto that Google Classroom page is going to be huge. So if you don't know how to do that, or if you haven't been doing that in the past, or if you're one of my face-to-face kids that now is like, how in the world do I do this? Email me, contact me. I'll help walk you through it. Even if you have to send me a picture of it through Remind, we'll figure out a way for you to get your work to me. But I would highly recommend that you upload something for me to be able to at least see what you were thinking and try, like, if Schoology marks it wrong, if I see on paper that you actually did have the right answer, I can give you your points back. If you don't give me work, I just take whatever Schoology tells me your score is. And for some, that hasn't been really working in your favor. So please make sure that you are uploading your work. Like I said, if you don't know how to do that, just contact me. I will be available during our live meet times. If you want to log in, go to the Google Meet, just click the little link that's in the top left corner. I think it's left corner. Yes, of our Google Classroom. Log in there during our live time, and then we can go over the review together. I brought my document camera home so we can walk through a couple of examples together. Just something to kind of help you, and then I'll probably be like, all right, we're good to go. Go to Schoology. Like, hurry up and take your quiz while it's nice and fresh in your head. So log in tomorrow, even just to say hi. I sat on Google Meets last week all by myself. So, and I get it. Like, you guys did awesome with your reviews. It's really good to see all the greens. If you did get a bunch of reds, please make sure you're double checking that. But today you only have a quiz. It's not super long. Once you're done with the quiz, just upload your work. Then we do start reviewing for a test. So some of you have been looking for another test to help your grades. It's coming next week. Next for you guys will be next Thursday. We're going to review for 2 days because you do review on Wednesday, but it's before Thanksgiving. So we thought we'd give you an extra day of review. You're welcome. Feel thankful for that. So then we're going to do another day of review the following week, and then you'll have your test. After that, we're kind of going to play it by ear to see if we get to go back or not go back. But definitely just be prepared that you do have a test coming up the following week. Any questions, comments, concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. And I can't wait to see your quizzes and maybe see some of your faces this week. And those who didn't log in, I look forward to maybe seeing some of you. Have a good one.